guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day, whatever you're doing. Today we are doing this fall purple smoky eye makeup look. I'm gonna call it just an easy smoky eye, probably, but I wanna try some new makeup that I was sent from Real Her Beauty and some of the things that I got at Walmart today and my new foundation and concealer. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. Okay, let's do some makeup. I'm gonna use my new Hourglass Stick Foundation in the shade Beige. I know this is gonna be too dark, but we're just going to, I think it's the same shade as Sand that I have, but it's a different tone is what I think. I don't know, it doesn't look too bad. It's about a half a shade too dark. Okay, now I want to try the Laura Mercier concealer that they sent me. It's the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in 1.5W. It feels creamy. I can use my BK Beauty sponge. Spreads really easy. Ooh, it's pretty. Great coverage. Wow. Okay. I like that it spreads out, but it doesn't disappear when you spread it out. It stays like a nice medium full coverage. And it keeps its brightness. That's really what I love, probably the most. I feel like sometimes when I'm, oh my gosh, there's a huge bug on my, what is the deal with the bugs around my house? I guess because this was once a farm that we live on. Like the construction is, they bought a piece of farmland and then they built the neighborhood. So we get all kinds of bugs. But not really in the house, but around the house. But I feel like when I go to blend out concealer, it loses its coverage, but it also loses how bright it was. So we'll let that sit for a minute and then I may go in with a little bit more at the end, but I like it so far. It's not tacky. It'll probably dry down and it's probably really good for aging under eyes like I have and like my lines right here. So I'm happy with it. I'm gonna go in with my cream highlight. Smells so good. If you guys don't have this highlighter, you need it. This is the Guerlain Skin Illuminator Highlighting Stick in gold. So if you're my skin tone or deeper, if you're any lighter than me, this color won't work for you. You'll need to go like to the more pink. But if you're deeper than me or my shade, get the gold for that like yummy JLo bronzy look. Real Her sent some makeup over and this brand is incredible, you guys. I'm not even sure, I guess they found me through Instagram, but they give back to women in need in the United States, which is incredible. They are paraben, vegan, all of that free. Let me just read you this. It's on the back of the palette. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, infused with vitamin E, coconut oil, and wait till you see this palette. But it's made in Lake Forest, California, and manufactured for Real Her, made in China. But it's really nice. This palette we're gonna use, wow, like how beautiful. I really hope it's good pigmentation. And they sent over some lip products and a brow pencil. So I'm actually gonna go fill in my brows, and I'll be right back with the Real Her Definer Brow Pencil in the shade. And they have really cool quotes on their, not like cheesy, but they have quotes on their products, and it says, "I am strong." So really neat. I love the concept, and I think this is the shade, I'm not sure what shade this is. I think it was medium brown. Okay, so this is the brows. It's a good brow pencil. I think it's a little dark for me, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna go in with a cream eyeshadow. This is the Laura Mercier Au Naturel. I'm gonna go right in the crease. So just like a primer. It's very natural, but these stay really well. So I'm gonna let that dry down. And then I'm going to take this Revlon Color Stay eyeliner in brown. It's a really fine tip. I'm gonna take a smudge brush and just smudge that around. Almost kind of like lift up on the brush. Okay, we'll build on that in just a second. I'm gonna go, I actually like the tone of that foundation because it does have that warmth, so it's pretty. The concealer is not creasing at all, so that's awesome. This is the Cheek Trio from the Ultimate Glow Getter, Real Her. It's a cheek trio. So I'm gonna go in with a little bronzer on my BK Beauty 107. We're gonna see how pigmented this is. That is the amount of kick up that you get. I'm gonna work it into the bristles. And I always start where I want the most color. Wow, that is a really pretty bronzer color. Blends really nicely. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, this might be my new favorite bronzer. So pretty. I mean, wow. Blends so seamlessly. It's like the perfect tone. It blends out really easy, which I love. This is the perfect brush for bronzer, the 107. I'll link it down below for you guys. Love that. Okay, my blush brush is the 107, so we're gonna go in the blush. It's a pretty peachy pink shade. I would say about a medium pigmentation. You don't have to be scared of this one, but it's a gorgeous color if you're my skin tone. This would even work probably on lighter skin tones too. I love that peach. Wow, really pretty. Okay, we're gonna go in the highlighter, which is called Goddess. We'll say it's a little powdery, but that's okay. I mean, hi. That is beautiful. Wow, okay. Love that. It looks darker than it really is. And I just want all the glow today, so I'm going straight on the forehead. Okay, I need some lipstick. So I picked up a new L'Oreal Color Riche matte lip liner in Mating Call because I lost the lid to my other one, so it dried out. So you'll see that in an empties soon. This is my favorite drugstore lip liner, almost my favorite actual lip liner. This is so pretty, so. if you like more of a brown nude. So good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Wow. Okay, now they sent a couple of lipsticks. One I'm gonna save for a holiday because it's like a beautiful red. But this is the matte liquid lipstick in I Am Enough Warm Nude. Very pretty. Love the frosted packaging. So I'm actually going to just dab this on. Very silky. It's a nice thin formula, so you're not gonna get like caked up lips. Feels good. I'll give you a swatch. It's a nice peachy pink. And then I picked up at Walmart the L'Oreal lipstick in 808 Macadamia. I guess Macadamia. And it is just a really beautiful peachy nude. Very, very nude right there. But I got this for the center of the lip, just to give it some dimension. I think we can just go right in the middle. And we can blend it in. Nice. You gotta like a nude lip. If you don't like a nude lip, you're not gonna like that macadamia, or macadamia. But you will love this if you like more color to your nude. But I think it's beautiful, and you could totally put gloss on top of it, but because I'm gonna be filming today, I don't want it all over my teeth. And yeah, I really like it. So this is the Real Her Dream So Big eyeshadow palette, and these are the shades, which they're showing up true to tone right there. Nice mirror. And I'm gonna first go in, this is why I like that All Natural, because from Laura Mercier, because if you want a good primer, see how it's kind of the same tone, that cool purpley nude, and then you can see it on my eyes. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna go into Aspiration, which is right here, and a little powdery, but that's okay. I don't mind a little powder. And that is a great crease shade. So it's gonna come off darker when you get it on the eye. And those Laura Mercier Caviar Sticks really help to bring out the pigment in shadows, but it's showing up really pretty in person. It's not gonna come off that great on camera. I'll go in just a little bit with Imagine, this shade here. This would be a beautiful bridal eyeshadow palette. Okay, we're just going for it. These are really pigmented, so it's, we're just there. We're going all in. So now I'm going into Inspire, which is the bottom. It's more of a pinky, this shade here. And then I'm gonna take Encourage all over the lid. See what that looks like. Really pretty pink. And then we'll take Dream, which is the kind of white shade. which is beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. That's gorgeous. I bet even if you got this, applied it with a damp brush, it would really pop. Wow, that is so pretty. I don't know why I'm not using the mirror. That is gorgeous shade. Okay, I'm just gonna blend the edges. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of that under the brow and in the inner corner. Okay, that's stunning. So pretty. Choked. So pretty. Okay, let's see. Do I need to blend it out anymore? Maybe a little bit. Okay. Gorgeous. I'm loving that. I'm gonna go back in with my liner, the lash line. Here's my smudge brush. Smudge that out. Okay, just kind of a smoky purple look, which is very different for me. But I think it goes good with the lip and the eye and all that. So I'm happy with that palette. That's a really nice palette. Okay, let's try this mascara. The Lash Craft Lengthen Volume from Sephora collection. And here's the brush on that. It's like flat on the middle and then the sides. So I have not curled my lashes or anything. That is one coat. I will say it's nice volume, but I don't get a ton of length because I don't have great lashes to begin with. I will say it gives my bottom lashes plenty of length, which I love. Yeah, I think we got some great length on that. That highlight is so pretty. Okay, happy with it. So what do you guys think? Really pretty fall makeup look. I'm here for it. And that lipstick is really pretty. So I will leave everything linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these kind of everyday makeup tutorials, let me know and I can do more. Let me know what kind of looks you want to see or what you would want to learn about makeup. I've been doing it so long that I feel like everyone knows everything because of YouTube these days, but I feel like I have some cool things I can share with you. So let me know what you want to see down below. Let me know if you like this look down below. If you don't, that's okay. Let me know, and then I'll know not to do these purpley looks, but I'm here for it. If you have hazel eyes or green eyes, brown eyes, purples really enhance your natural color of your eyes. So yeah, check out the Real Her Beauty. I think you will really like it, especially if you're into clean beauty. And then, you know, women empowerment and all of that. They really stand for a lot of great things. And I'm excited to have, I don't know how they stumbled upon me, but I'm excited that they did. So let me know if there's any other brands that you want me to try down in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.